going through downtown right now, and it looks bad. Yes. Okay. You call him, please. Okay. He probably doesn't have any service. They were working over there in for limestone. They're like in the middle of nowhere. That drive.